अब तुम मुझे बताओ। नाउ यू टेल मी। नाउ यू टेल मी। मुझे ऐसे मत देखो। डोंट लुक एट मी लाइक दैट। डोंट लुक एट मी लाइक दैट। तुम फिर हंस रही हो। यू आर लाफिंग अगेन। यू आर लाफिंग अगेन। इस तरह चुप मत रहो। डोंट बी साइलेंट लाइक दिस। डोंट बी साइलेंट लाइक दिस। मेरा स्कूल खत्म हो गया है। माई स्कूल इज ओवर। माई स्कूल इज ओवर। अंधेरा हो रहा है। इट इज गेटिंग डार्क। इट इज गेटिंग डार्क। पूछने में क्या जाता है। वॉट गोज टू आस्क। वॉट गोज टू आस्क। प्रयास करने में क्या जाता है। वॉट गोज टू ट्राई। वॉट गोज टू ट्राई। कौन कहता है तुम कभी सफल नहीं हो सकते। Who says you can never succeed? Who says you can never succeed? वह मन ही मन गुस्सा हो रहा था। He was inwardly getting angry. He was inwardly getting angry. क्या खेल रहे हो। What are you playing? What are you playing? तुमने क्या खो दिया। What did you lose? What did you lose? तुम बात नहीं मानते। You don't listen to me. You don't listen to me. मैं तो भूल ही गया। I clean forgot. I clean forgot. आपको किससे बात करनी है। Whom would you like to speak? Whom would you like to speak? मैं बाद में कॉल करूँगा। I will call you later. I will call you later. आप फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे थे। Why were you not picking up the phone? Why were you not picking up the phone? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है। I cannot hear your voice. I cannot hear your voice. आपकी आवाज कट रही है। Your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up. तुम मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हो। What do you think about me? What do you think about me? मुझे वापस बात नहीं करनी है। I don't want to talk again. I don't want to talk again. मैं तुम्हें खोने से डरता हूँ। I am afraid of losing you. I am afraid of losing you. मैं हमेशा तुमसे मिलने के सपने देखता हूँ। I always dream of meeting you. I always dream of meeting you. मैं तुम्हें फिर खोना नहीं चाहता। I don't want to lose you again. I don't want to lose you again. मेरे साथ बहस करना बंद करो। Stop arguing with me. Stop arguing with me. मैं यहाँ से जा रहा हूँ। I am leaving from here. I am leaving from here. तुम हमेशा भूल जाते हो। You always forget. You always forget. मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ। I want to do something. I want to do something. वह 2 घंटे से बातें कर रहा है। He has been talking from 2 hours. He has been talking from 2 hours. मुझे क्यों घूर रहे हो। Why are you staring at me? Why are you staring at me? कभी कभी ऐसा होता है। Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. मुझे उसको सच बताना पड़ा। I had to tell her the truth. I had to tell her the truth. मुझे घर पहुंचने में 1 घंटा लगेगा। I will take an hour to get home. I will take an hour to get home. मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है। Why does it only happen to me? Why does it only happen to me? आप इतनी जल्दी में क्यों हो। Why are you in so hurry? Why are you in so hurry? वो तो अभी घर पर नहीं है। He is not at home right now. He is not at home right now. मैं बहुत पैसा कमाना चाहता हूँ। I want to earn money. I want to earn money. मुझे पता है कि मैं सीख सकता हूँ। I know I can learn. I know I can learn. मैं बहुत जल्दी अंग्रेजी सीख सकता हूँ। I can learn English very soon. I can learn English very soon. चुगली से दूर रहो। Stay away from backbiting. Stay away from backbiting. तुम्हें किससे मिलना है? Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? वो मार्केट गई है। She has gone to market. She has gone to market. वो शॉपिंग करने गई है। She has gone for shopping. She has gone for shopping. अब आप खाना शुरू कर सकते हैं। You may start eating now. You may start eating now. कौन कहता है मैं पागल हूँ? Who says that I am mad? Who says that I am mad? तुमने ऐसे कैसे उसे थप्पड़ मारा? How come you slapped him? How come you slapped him? हमारी कार खराब हो गई है। Our car has broken up. Our car has broken up. आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी। You will have to listen to me. You will have to listen to me. तुम्हारा सब कुछ कैसे चल रहा है? How is everything with you? How is everything with you? वह एक अच्छी इंसान है। She is a good human being. She is a good human being. मुझे कहानियाँ पढ़ना पसंद है। I like read stories. I like read stories. चाय लेने का समय हो गया है। It's time to take tea. It's time to take tea. इसने मुझसे बहस की थी। He argued with me. He argued with me. मुझे आज अपने मन की करने दो। Let me do what I want today. Let me do what I want today. मैं क्यों नहीं समझ पाया? Why didn't I understand? Why didn't I understand? मेरा आपसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। I have nothing to do with you. I have nothing to do with you. यह किस किताब में लिखा है? In which book has it written? In which book has it written? ज्यादा देर तक जागना मत। Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. ये तो कुछ और है। This is something else. This is something else. ये तो कोई और है। This is someone else. This is someone else. उससे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect it from her. I didn't expect it from her. वो मेरा कोई दोस्त नहीं है। He is not a friend of mine. He is not a friend of mine. मैं जल्द ही घर पहुंच रहा हूँ। I am reaching home soon. I am reaching home soon. वो 2 घंटे में निकलेगा। He will leave in 2 hours. He will leave in 2 hours. चाय को कप में डालो। Pour the tea into the cup. Pour the tea into the cup. मैं नवंबर में पैदा हुआ था। I was born in November. I was born in November. हम एक दूसरे से मिलने नहीं जाते। We don't visit each other. We don't visit each other. आज रात यही आराम करो। Take rest here tonight. Take rest here tonight. कोई आपको बुला रहा है। Someone is calling you. Someone is calling you. मैं तुमसे कभी बात नहीं करूंगी। I will never talk to you. I will never talk to you. क्या तुम उन्हें जानते हो? Do you know them? Do you know them? सभी बातें करते रह गए। Everyone kept talking. Everyone kept talking. तुम्हें क्या लगा ये कौन है? Who do you think it is? Who do you think it is? नहीं, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. कौन से जमाने में जी रहे हैं आप? In which era are you living? In which era are you living? मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये हो पाएगा. I don't think it will work out. I don't think it will work out. उसे ज्यादा सर पर मत चढ़ाओ. Don't over pamper him. Don't over pamper him. तुम्हारी नियत खराब है. You have bad intentions. You have bad intentions. वो जगह पीछे रह गई. That place is left behind. That place is left behind. कपड़े जल जाएंगे. The clothes might burn. The clothes might burn. ये पुराने वाला है. This is old one. This is old one. मेरा मन बेचैन है. My mind is restless. My mind is restless. इसने नहीं करने दिया. He didn't let me do it. He didn't let me do it. मेरा काफी वजन कम हुआ है. I have lost a lot of weight. I have lost a lot of weight. मैं आपसे मिलने आई हूँ. I have come to see you. I have come to see you. वो छोटी सोच वाला है. He is narrow-minded. He is narrow-minded. हम पास पास बैठे थे. We are sitting close. We are sitting close. मुझे कोई पछतावा नहीं है. I have no regrets. I have no regrets. वो खाली बातें करता है. He has mere words. He has mere words. हमें आपसे हमदर्दी है. We have sympathy with you. We have sympathy with you. मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी. I wasn't feeling sleepy. I wasn't feeling sleepy. मेरा चार्जर नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't find my charger. I can't find my charger. मैं जूठा खाना नहीं खाता. I don't eat oatmeal. I don't eat oatmeal. सब बड़े आराम से हो गया है. Everything went smoothly. Everything went smoothly. बाहर बहुत ज्यादा ठंड है. It's too cold outside. It's too cold outside. मैं घर पर ही रुक रहा हूँ. I am staying at home. I am staying at home. उसमें कोई तमीज नहीं है. He has no manners. He has no manners. तुम ध्यान क्यों नहीं देते? Why don't you pay attention? Why don't you pay attention? क्या ये आपके साथ हुआ है? Has this happened to you? Has this happened to you? इसे ऐसे नहीं किया जाता. This is not the way to do it. This is not the way to do it. मैं तो कब का पहुंच गया. I have arrived long ago. I have arrived long ago. खाने के पैसे किसने दिए? Who paid for the meal? Who paid for the meal? बोतलों को सीधा रखो. Keep the bottle upright. Keep the bottle upright. सोमवार तक रुक जाओ. Stay till Monday. Stay till Monday. दोस्त इसलिए तो होते हैं. That's what friends are for. That's what friends are for. वो दुकान से ये खरीद रहा है. He is buying it from the shop. He is buying it from the shop. मैंने मोबाइल को बिस्तर से उठाया. I picked mobile off the bed. I picked mobile off the bed. वो पैसे के लिए यहाँ आया. He came here for money. He came here for money. उस लड़के ने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया. That boy did it for you. That boy did it for you. मैं काफी देर से खेल रहा हूँ. I have been playing for a long. I have been playing for a long. वो 10 मिनट से यहाँ थी. He had been here for 10 minutes. He had been here for 10 minutes. वो कई दिनों से कोशिश कर रहा है. He has been trying for many days. He has been trying for many days. नेहा दोपहर से रो रही है. नेहा has been weeping since noon. नेहा has been weeping since noon. मैं तब से पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been studying since then. I have been studying since then. मैं तो वहाँ था ही नहीं. In fact, I was not there. In fact, I was not there. यहाँ तो ऐसा ही होता है. This is what happens here. This is what happens here. बाकी आपकी मर्जी. The rest is your wish. The rest is your wish. मैंने पहले भी तुमसे बोला था. I had told you even before. I had told you even before. इसीलिए तो मैं जा रहा हूँ वहाँ. That's why I am going there. That's why I am going there. वह बारिश में भीग गया है. He has got soaked in the rain. He has got soaked in the rain. वैसे भी मैं वहाँ नहीं जाता. I wouldn't go there anyway. I wouldn't go there anyway. तुम उसे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know him? How do you know him? मैंने तो ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था. I didn't even think so. I didn't even think so. तुम बस उन्हें पीछे हटा दो. You just make them move back. You just make them move back. कुछ भी रातों रात होता है क्या? Does anything happen overnight? Does anything happen overnight? तुम्हें क्या ये सब मजाक लग रहा है? Do you find all this funny? Do you find all this funny? मैं तुम्हारी उतरन नहीं पहनूंगा. I won't wear your worn out clothes. I won't wear your worn out clothes. तुम लोग उछल कूद बहुत करते हो. You guys roam a lot. You guys roam a lot. इसने तो हमारी लुटिया डुबा दी. He has brought disgrace for us. He has brought disgrace for us. वो खुशी के मारे उछल पड़ा. He leapt with joy. He leapt with joy. तुम मुझे हमेशा दुविधा में डाल देते हो. You always put me in the dilemma. You always put me in the dilemma. उसने अब सिर पर कफन बांध लिया है. He is ready to face death now. He is ready to face death now. इसका तो सिर फिर गया है. He has gone crazy. He has gone crazy. मैं भीड़ को चीरकर वहां से निकल गया. I tore my way out of the crowd from there. I tore my way out of the crowd from there. अपनी मूर्खता की वजह से वह असफल हुआ. On account of his stupidity he has failed. On account of his stupidity he has failed. हर कोई गलती करता है, ये आम बात है. It's normal. Everyone makes mistake. It's normal. Everyone makes mistake. ये पैर रखने के लिए ही बना है. It's meant to be stepped on. It's meant to be stepped on. अभी ये खुद से नहीं खा सकता है. He can't feed himself yet. He can't feed himself yet. वह किस लिए प्रसिद्ध है? What is he famous for? What is he famous for? मैं जरा तैयार हो लूं. Let me get ready. Let me get ready. मैंने नहीं, इसने किया है. I didn't, he did it. I didn't, he did it. उसी को तो ढूंढ रहा हूं मैं. That's whom I am looking for. That's whom I am looking for. तुम लोग खून खराबे वाली बातें मत करो. Don't talk about bloodshed stuff. Don't talk about bloodshed stuff. 2 ही दिन की तो बात है. It's only a matter of 2 days. It's only a matter of 2 days. ऐसी गंदी बातें मत करो. Don't talk such wild things. डोंट टॉक सच वाइल्ड थिंग्स। क्या तुम उस पर नजर रख रहे थे? वर यू कीपिंग एन आई ऑन हिम? वर यू कीपिंग एन आई ऑन हिम? ध्यान से देख लो। वॉच योर स्टेप। वॉच योर स्टेप। जबान संभाल के बात करो। वॉच योर माउथ। वॉच योर माउथ।